In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up a donation stand and please donate. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and leave the video a like. It really helps us out. Let's jump right into it. Begin by claiming a stand. You're going to want to approach an unclaimed stand in game. It's going to say unclaimed and essentially just hold the E button or just click the section that says claim. And it's going to give you a thing that looks something like this once you've claimed it if it's your first time playing. You can do this if you want, but I'm going to show you all of this real quick anyways. So as you can see, this is now my stand. Now to customize your stand, simply just go ahead and hit edit again, and you can change a lot of different stuff. I'm going to change the text real quick to create a stand just like so. You can change the appearance of the booth. Keep in mind most of this stuff is going to require Robux though. You could change the font, the color, the stroke color, and so much more. It's actually really nice. Then the next major step is simply adding buttons. To add buttons, you will need to create game passes using the Roblox website, since items like shirts cost Robux to sell, but game passes are free. Open up a web browser and go to create.roblox.com. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and hit start creating, and it's going to open up Roblox Studio. If you don't have it downloaded, simply download it real quick, sign into your account, and then head back to the main Roblox page and hit create way up here. It's going to take you to the create.roblox.com creator hub now that you've created the specific creator account, and look for the creations tab in the left. Open this up, and you should see a default place just like so. Go ahead and click on it. On the left-hand menu, go ahead and find associated items and look for the specific passes section in that area. It might be under monetization, so open that up and then hit create a pass down here. From here, you can change this to make it whatever you want, change the name, and then even add a description if you would like, but that's optional. Hit create a pass all the way on the bottom, and after you create that pass, simply go ahead and click on it and go to the sales tab on the left. Toggle the item for sale on just like so and set the default price to whatever you would like. In this example, I'm going to do 1 Robux and then hit save changes. Hit proceed, and now you can return to please donate. You may need to claim your stand again if you close the game, so run over there, claim that stand, and your pass should appear. Now you could sell game passes on please donate. If you want multiple buttons, simply create more game passes with different prices. But that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.